1, 2, how are you? Let me get some things right here, man. How are you? PCD, guys, how are you? What's going on? Testing 1, 2, how are you? My cam suck. How are you? Once again, it's PCD back in the building, man. How are you? How y'all doing? Just an alternative. See if I can fix this filter, man. How are you? Jolly, what's good, bro? How are you, man? Just chilling. Trying to come back to the what? Table. How are you guys? Just an alternative. What's going on? Can't even see this stuff. Need some stuff. I get you. Once again, it's PCD. I'm gonna show you something a little different, man. How are you? Mm-hmm. 2 minutes into the game, man. What's up, y'all? What you need, man? Email me. Mac! What's up, bro? How you feel, man? Hope all is good, man. I'm good, man. Hope you and your family all right. It's Queen. Doing something to do, man. Amazon. Bigger. I'm gonna show you how to add some tools to your arsenal. Help people cut the cord, man. Just hanging out, man. Trying to get back to the table, man. That's all. The one and only Huffling. How are you? How you feeling? It's my man. Good dude. Check. Savvy, man. We're gonna do a little something a little different here, man. Add some tools to your arsenal. There's a lot of ways to cut the cord. We think outside the box. Have your end users, your family members, your clients do something a little different. A lot of these people got hardware in their house already. Got it already in your house. A couple more people come in here, man. I'm gonna get it in and execute it. Android open source software. Them Amazon Fire Sticks, them streaming devices, which runs Android. Fire OS 5 and 6 and 7, running Android 8, 9, and I think 10 or 12, 14, one of them, but it's stock Android, not Android tvOS. And there's a lot of information in the community that Amazon switches to a new operating system, which is Vega, which is based on Linux. Let me make this statement, and you can Google it. Android is based on what? Linux kernel. Android that runs on NVIDIA, Amazon streaming devices, Google streaming devices, owns devices, is based on Linux. You dig? And what is Linux? Linux is open source, and I'm gonna show you that today. I'm gonna show you how to install CasaOS, which I made my last video here. The little video right there. I was trying to get some help with the community. Help me with my Wave XLR. HealthLink gave me a nice option. Almost didn't work, so I had to build my whole box again, my whole C drive rather. How y'all doing, guys? How are you? Wait for a couple more people and I'm gonna execute this. And that's what I will be using. HP Pro Desk 600 G3, $100. Got this for a client of mine. And he said, Dave, what can I do with this? I'm like, watch what I do with it for you, bro. You're not going to not only have a media server, you're going to be able to run services on this device. CasaOS, crazy. Let me fix something here. Yeah, going with that. How's everybody doing? Hello, how are you? Vander, across the pond, how are you, brother? How you feeling? Daniel, what's good, bro? How you doing? My Mac. We're gonna reach out. Brother Tyler. Also, shout out to the Vincent Tyler, that's that guy. Shout out to all the content creators who do what they do. I appreciate what y'all do. My man, colleague, Legendary Superdell, he been knocking that out the park. We gotta move a little different, man. Amazon devices killing your community, the end user. Not in my squad, my clients and family, I'm getting away from them ones. But content creators, do what you do. I really appreciate y'all, what y'all do. Keep pushing it, man. Pushing the content out there for the cord cutter community. But on this channel, do things a little different here. It's PCD, man. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm passionate, I'm confident, and I do a little different over here. We're gonna get this in. I'm gonna show you something a little different. I'm trying to come back to the table. Android open source. Linux is open source based on, Android is based on Linux kernel. But I'm gonna show you another option. Just an option. That's it. You can run some services on it. Option to cut the cord. Add these tools that I'm gonna give you to your arsenal. Show people how to get things done. CasaOS, just an alternative. Mini PC. I'll show you how to make it happen. On the table there, about 2 weeks ago, I'll show you the Zima board. This is SBC small board computer, and I had CasaOS on. I didn't show you how to install it or nothing. I just threw it on there because I was needed some help with my Wave XLR. NVIDIA Shield. This is what I have in front of me. Mini PC. I took the code off. Elite Desk. 600. Make this statement. This device is 2013-14. Watch what I do to it. For some reason, the cord cutter community think you need a streaming device to get shit done. You don't. There's a lot of people got this kind of hardware in their own house right now, and you can make it happen. How? By using open source software. And the main thing, let me look at the camera, it's free. Linux, most software distributions are free. CasaOS that I'm installing on this device, it's free. Let's go to work. On the table there, HP G3 600 mini PC. NVIDIA Shield, that's how big it is. See how wide it is? A little bit the width of a NVIDIA Shield. I got an M.2 enclosure with Type-C and 3.0. So funny about this device. It got 6 USB. But guess what? All of them are 2.0. But they got a Type-C on there. 2013. Guys, let me take you to it. Ladies and gentlemen, right there is Linux Debian that I already have installed on here. I had to put it on there first. Took about 60 minutes. I ain't want to get around. I ain't want to go through that. And guys, it's an operating system. Or in the Linux world, it's a distribution. You got Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, Kelly Linux. Shout out to Soul Bro. You get things done. Just like opposites like Windows. Instead of the start menu at the bottom, theirs are at the top. Let me go to activities. I got it connected to my network. Let's go to Firefox. Let me do a speed test. Man, I can't get the spell on. Let's do Google speed test. 2013. I'm getting 300 megs. I got gigabit network. Almost about 500 up. Yeah, about 500 on the up. Excuse me. 381 on the up. 503 on the down. Let's go to fast. That's my shot. Yeah, gigabit network. Can't show you the download because it's going to show me some IP address. I don't trust y'all. Guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install CasaOS on a Linux environment. The way you install CasaOS is you install it on top of a Linux distribution. And everybody, oh, that's command line. Very easy. Guys, let's go to activity. I'm gonna show you how this device ain't that powerful. I mean, it's powerful, but Linux distributions run good on these. Debian is crazy. 4 cores, I got 16 gigs of RAM, and that's my gigabit network. That's the resource that is running. But guys, like Linux, like Android, to get APKs on there, a lot of people use download or sideload them. The way you get apps on Linux, this Debian, aka Bookworm, is command line. And guys, I can't even type my name. I can't type at all. This thing called terminal here. Now I need a command in there to install CasaOS. Let's go CaSa site. CasaOS, your personal cloud OS, smart home, file syncing, etc. And the network capabilities on the CasaOS system is crazy. Personal cloud reimagined. And you can install it just about on anything. As you see right there, well, you can access it from just about anywhere. You got a Mac there, a laptop, and your phone. Guys, you can go to the site. There's a demo there. You can run it right in your browser. Collect up all your press data. Multiple devices. And you can access your server from anywhere. And which is this is server software. That is the interface. You're going to see that shortly. For the personal cloud hacker. Guys, everything runs within your home. And they got a crazy store. I'll show you about that, guys. And this is how you install it. Let me go back one. I'm going to go to the GitHub page where all the code is at. And these are the operating systems that's compatible with them right now. Debian 12, Ubuntu server, Raspberry Pi, I ran that, elementary, the Avian, TV boxes. Did you get that? TV boxes. And guys, that's what I need right there. That is the command line. I'm gonna copy it. I'm in my terminal now. I'm a sudo. And guys, don't think this stuff is technical. It's easy. Put my password in. Down there I got a hash right there. I'm able to put this command in here. And ladies and gentlemen, hit enter. And there we go. We're installing a operating system, or in the Linux world, Docker container. Guys, you can add this to your arsenal. Get things done. People call you on the phone, excuse me, yeah, I'm trying to cut the cord. Can you help me? I got an Amazon Fire Stick. I'm like, let me tell you this. You got a junk drawer? You got devices in there? You got an old mini PC? You got a big PC? Anything that runs x86, you can make it happen. And this is incredible software. Deep. As it's installing, guys, as you see, take a little bit. Oh, I see our clone. We almost done. That's installing, guys. There go our one command line. Guys, I am not a developer. I don't know how to write code, but I understand software and how to do things. And ladies and gentlemen, we are done. CasaOS is running at, and guys, it's telling you what IP address that is running at. You need to take this IP address and run it in a browser. 192.168.1.228. Open your browser and visit the above address. I'm gonna take the address and I'm gonna copy it. Take the browser, come back up. I'm gonna open a new window. I'm gonna paste it in here. I'm gonna hit enter. And ladies and gentlemen, you need to add this tool to your arsenal. Welcome to CasaOS. Let's create an account. PCD Philly. Put a password in here. Don't save it. And ladies and gentlemen, we are in CasaOS. And you see up top there, 192.168.1.228. Go to the chat, see how y'all feeling, man. It's not hard. It's not hard, people. What's good, Lawrence? How you feeling, brother? Now that we have CasaOS installed on our mini PC, I got some storage here. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna execute that. Back to the CasaOS. And guys, let me show you around this little interface real quick. Up here, it's your account. Some things that you can add in there. You got a search engine. You got a default search engine. You can change it to Google, Bing, or set one up yourself. With the English language, we run it on port 80. You can change the wallpapers. Let's try this one. Bingo. If you notice, and I change the wallpaper, you got the option to add your own. Also show their blog at the bottom there. So recommended apps. If I turn it off, it will shut the apps off that's up top there if you noticed it. Turn it back on. And auto mount USB drive. I always leave that on. And I'm up to date. And you see it, guys, that's the CPU. It's running at 32. It's still installed some stuff in the background. And it's using up out that 16 gigs of RAM. It's using about 12% of it. Kind of welcome, man. I'm great to be alive. Yes, sir. It's a blessing. What's up, gang? OTA 619. CaSa's crazy, man. You a beta tester? Yeah. They got that new Zima OS. That thing crazy. Back at the ranch. Guys, CasaOS is just an option. It's running on a mini PC. And this the twist here. You get whole services on here. We finna going around the interface. Showed you everything here. It has terminal built in, so you can install more stuff. Terminal is the downloader of Linux. That's how you install stuff. Command line. But guys, these your files. And ladies and gentlemen, the network capabilities of this OS is crazy. Guys, I'm gonna set up a media server. Let's go set up a media server. Guys, won't you check this out? We got files here. And look at this right here, man. It's an app store. One-click install for Dockers. As you see, we got Jellyfin. Sorry, wrong one. Jellyfin, which is a free media server. It's a fork of MB. Let's go down the list here. We got Plex. Media server. Yeah, I know my twist. I'm an MB head. And we got MB here. Let's install it. One click. And it's complete. There's the icon. But guy also has a browser in there too. Let me go search it. There you go, guys. Let's go to Ukta. Can't do Ukta. Ukta be showing your address. Inside CasaOS is a search engine. I'm getting about 810. But guys, now that we have MB installed from the App Store, which you can add more apps, because there's a couple of app stores out there from developers who've been getting down with us. $619. That's my man, Big Bear. Man, me and him busted up all the time. I be in his Discord. It's crazy. Jack Bro! What's up, bro? How you been, man? Trying to come back at the what? Trying to come back to the table, guys. I got some insight too. I look at technology a little different. Guys, now that we have MB installed, we're gonna configure it. Wrong mouse. Let's open MB. Let's pick a language. English, United States. User. Add this to your arsenal for your clients and your end users. Don't save. Add some media. No, you go set the whole server up first. We're gonna keep it local. I accept the terms. I'm finished. Now guys, I'm gonna log in. Don't save. I'm in the server, guys. No content. First thing you just do with a server when you set him up, first of all, let's get the password right. I'm in my local network. I don't need no password. Do not require a password on the local network. I'm gonna save that. DLNA. Pick me as the user. Save it. Enable it. Save it. There's one screen I gotta go to, guys. Because I gotta restart the server. Just a second, guys. And we back, guys. We had to restart the server. We got CasaOS running on here. We got nothing in the server. Take it home. There's nothing in here, guys. But now we got to get some media. Let's go to activity. Let's bring CasaOS back up. Got some storage, guys. Got some content on here. If I go to files right here, location. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go to some files from my computer. Look at this here. This is crazy! Connect network storage. Let's go to my PC and get some files. I know the IP address of one of my PCs that's on my network. Connect as a guest. Yeah, right. It's funny. You ain't taking my box. The beast. Do I got this right? Uh-oh. The beast. Huh? Let's see what my box's name is. Get my box address. Okay. My bag. So I got the Sama address right? Oh, wrong mouse. Oh, here we go right there. Semicolon. What? Are you kidding me? You playing me? $619, thank you, brother. I bet now I know it. Oh my goodness. Thank you, bro. OTA. We all need help. And there I am. Thank you, my brother. 619 OTA. I am sharing my H drive on my PC. Let's go get some content and bring it on over. Let's grab a couple of movies and bring them into the CasaOS on the mini PC. I'm gonna grab about, not that, I ain't trying to play it. Grab 4 or 5 movies, man. Really? We doing this? Grab 5 movies. I'm gonna right click and copy them. And then I'm gonna take it to the internal of the mini PC. And I'm gonna share it. I got me a folder there. Let's paste these files in here. Got a paste button right here. Shouldn't take that long for these to go in there. Just an option. Daria, AKA, she got 900 names. Oh. How are you, young lady? Thank you, OT. Files are going in there, guys. We got them there. Going back to media, make another folder. Let's go to movies, right click, make another folder. bring some demos over here. Some demo videos. I'll share that too. Back to my desktop. There's my It.PCD content. Copy this whole folder. Take it to the media folder. Movies. Push them in here. Paste them. I've been running 2.5 gigs. Network adapters in my John. Good to be seen. Joseph Lawrence, how are you guys? Content's going in. We're gonna push them into the MB Media Server or Plex or Jellyfin. You can run all three. Is that my guy? The one and only Pen. Tech savvy gentleman. I've been loving his work lately. He's been knocking it out the park. Much respect, brother. Pen. Appreciate you, man. I was jammed on one of my MB servers, how to push my knives over there, and I could not get the address right. Much respect, man. Thanks for your content, man. Appreciate all y'all content creators. Y'all do what y'all do. And the end user, 619 OTA. The Pen. Legendary Super Dell. Haterade Cowboy. Been messing with them Sapiti boys. Hit my man on in one of the former owners. Let's talk about that app. The R app, R video app is just like the old one. Ain't nothing changed yet. That's why I'm waiting. We got the files over there, guys. Back to media. Now, let's bring this stuff into MB Media Server. I'm gonna close that, guys. Hit my track. Marsh. Again, guys. 1.939, 3 watts, 4 watts. 4 gigs memory. Let's over MB. Let's configure it. No content in here. Let's go to work. Let's go to the library. What we need? What kind of content? Movies. Let's label it. Movie 1. Let's go to the folder. CaSa make it so easy. What did it say? Movies. Movies 1. I'm gonna okay it. We got to get the metadata correct. Where we at? English. Where we at? United States. You can keep all this label. My sister Sapaya. I'm leaving the titles. Scanning the network. And it's done. Let's go home. And there you are, people. 2013 PC. A media server. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna knock this out the park. But guys, in my next video, I'm having another device, and I'm gonna have about 4 or 5 streaming devices to show you how to access this. I didn't have time to hook it up. It's on, but guess what? I'm gonna show you how the streaming PC on can access this server. Not just the MB server, the whole CaSa environment. Come on, Pen, stop that old funky stuff, man. You know you've been knocking out the park, brother. Appreciate you. I like the option you're showing so far. Something different. You know, that's how we do, man. Each and every content creator look at technology different, and I look at it different. Before I tell somebody to go buy a Fire Stick or an own device, what you got in your house first? This mini PC will run circles around any of them streaming devices. And it's in their home. How much money did you spend? Free. How was the software? Free. How was CasaOS to put in there? 7 minutes. It's just an option. Put it in your tool bag. Back to the interface. Let's see if something play. Matter of fact, let's go back to the library. Let's go to the setting. Let's go add them demos. New library, mixed content. Go to the folder. Some videos. Pen, that's where I was stuck at, man. Bruh, I was stuck. I knew about it, but I forgot it. I watched the content, I'm like, damn, Pen, my man. I was lost, man. Okay, we gotta give it some metadata to correct metadata information. So I can go search the internet. Here's a shot, it's a pity. So I can go search the internet locally, not in the cloud. I put Ambi on my Sapiti, man. Crazy. Video's still coming. I'm waiting for them to come out with that R video app. It looks good, but I don't deal with speculation. I like to see the app. I'm gonna buy it. Where am I at? Country, oh. US, United States, English. We don't need no metadata because it ain't gonna read this. Save you a little space, very low. It's 480 gig SSD. It's gonna scrape it, but I ain't know what to scrape. OTA. We all from Alaska? It's just an option, guys. That's all. That's all. It's just an option. As you see up top, they're scraping it, scraping for the data. The pen man. It's more thanks to the viewers that ask the questions. I would never bother otherwise. I like Ambi. I like Ambi a lot. Been my main thing for a while. Actually, a while. Me too, man. The internet has Plex sitting way up here. Ambi comes from Plex. The developers from Plex with the Ambi made it. Soon they made it closed source. They had to pay Ambi Premiere. The developers left from there with the Jellyfin. It's free. In my next tutorial, I'm gonna use the fin, Jellyfin. Guys, let's go back to CasaOS. Matter of fact, let's stay in the library. Let's take it on home. As you see, mixed content and the movies. Let's try one. Mini PC, that quick. As you see, some subtitles popping up. Can't keep it too long. Let's take it home. Let's go see some of these demos to see how it look. Let's play this. Looks good to me. Just an option. Check me up here for a minute. Let's go see what it's running at. Oh, that's picture in picture. My bad. I'm trying to get the settings. 1080-60. No problem. Just an option, man. $4K. Excuse me. See what this is. 1080-60. Crazy. $100 mini PC, 2 pieces of software, Debian, Bookworm. How much did that cost? Free. CasaOS, sorry, CasaOS. CasaOS, free, open source. You gotta think, man. Amazon is going Linux. Don't you know there are streaming apps already prepared for Linux? And you know Amazon is a $1 billion company. They're gonna plant developers out there to make apps so they can keep it going, sell them devices. The thing is, my opinion, Amazon want to get away from Android. Why? Google. They've been rumbling for the years. It ain't the point of Google letting them use their operating system because it's open source. Anybody can use it. That's why they're using stock Android, not Android tvOS. Android tvOS, one criteria is you got to sell 50,000 units in a year. Me Cool, Own, yeah, they can do that. Amazon done been did that. But they said, guess what? Here, stock Android, work with that. Everybody call you when you're streaming. Q! Late to the class, man. Don't worry. This round one. As I was saying, guys, Android is going to the new Vega, and everybody think your device is going to shut down. Let me explain this. As I was told of some information I got, they done pushed the Vega OS onto Echo Shows. Echo Shows are not streaming devices. The operating system is small. Them cubes, the maxes with 16 gigs. Let me make this statement. I will shut my channel down. If Amazon is able to push Vega operating system on a Fire device, keep all the end user settings and their APKs, which it won't be APKs, because then all of them will be compatible. It won't happen. I will shut my channel down. Your Amazon devices, streaming devices, is good to 2027. They might dump them then. But I advise you, Black Friday, load up on them joints, man. They're gonna be very valuable. I'm gonna say it again. Vega will not be able to be pushed down on those streaming devices. Sticks, cubes, it ain't happening. For them to push a whole operating system, they gotta wipe the internals of the Fire Stick. Also, put all the user's data back and their settings. It ain't gonna happen, man. But you never know. Amazon don't care. They want your data. Amazon makes more money off your data than all them devices combined. Everybody worry about ads. They ain't worried about ads. They don't care about them ads. You can put many launches on you want. Amazon wants your data. Again, Amazon makes more money off y'all data, because I don't do devices like that no more. I get thrown in the towel. They make more money off your data than all them devices combined sold. Think about that. Guys, back to CaSa. Just an option. App Store, teaser. You got Home Assistant. My beast on here is App Guard. Crazy. Pi-hole. Handbrake. J Downloader. And this is only one official store. My beast that I run on my enterprise server, get away from the Google Cloud right here. Keep all your stuff local. Nextcloud. Very nice. Very, 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 very nice. Easy to configure too. And these are all containers that's running inside of Linux, which will be coming to Amazon devices. Roku, locked down. It's a form of Linux. But Vega might be a little open. Truthfully, Google devices open too. Just gotta know how to get around them, man. It ain't that deep. App Store is crazy. And if you want to install another container, custom, you can manually install it. So you're not limited to the Play Store. Wow, the App Store right there. But the network capabilities of this device. I added my PC. Should I add my last? No, the next one. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for hanging out with me. This is round one of CasaOS. It's about that, man. Your own personal cloud in your own home. If it's Linux and can run containers, it's over. It's over. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for hanging out with me. I appreciate y'all. It's open source software. Trying to come back to the table, man. You know. And again, 619, I appreciate your help right there. Brother Penn, much respect, man. Appreciate your work. The legendary Super Dell, aka Mr. Breaking News, knocking that shit out the park. It's my man. I seen the title of the show tonight. It's about alternatives, and that's what this is about. Dell loves them streaming devices. I like them all. Mini PC. Zima board, mini PC. What I'm going to next gonna blow your mind. It's been PCD, guys. You have a great one. Have a blessed evening. Most of all, stay safe out there. It's been PCD. We do a little different over here. Much respect. CasaOS. Round one. Got to get used to streaming again. Much respect. Thank everybody coming through. The Pen. Q. My Mac. Lawrence. And Daria. Octavia. To Vincent Tyler. Vincent Tyler. Our Revolution app almost ready, man. Dang, thanks for coming through, bro. Brandon Poole. My man Hufflink. He always keeping it moving. Thinking outside the box. My Jolly. Anybody acknowledge? Jeffro, what's going on? My Pen. Mr. Colleague, man. Got to do a little different. That's going to keep me interested. 619, thank you for your help. /, brother. Lawrence, Joseph, the Queen. You have a blessed evening. Round 2, couple of days. Trying to get back in sync, man. To do what? Come back to the table, guys. We all look at technology a little different. We all in that community, in that core credit community, look at technology a little different. I'm like this. Use what you got in your home first, then go buy a streaming device. Yeah, I got an X20. Should do. Got a couple of them. But that's not my main streaming device. I built me a server running CasaOS so I can run services and media servers. Think about that. The mind is a terrible thing to waste. I get at y'all, I'm babbling. Peace.